Okay, this is example 4. And here we have a different type of inequality. We have -3 is less than or equal to x minus 2, which is less than 1. Okay, this is called well, the book calls it a 3-part inequality, and it's because you have 3 parts, right? That you have, or you can say the left-hand side, right, the middle, and the right-hand side. And let's see, I may change colors here. Right, and here you have 2 inequalities, right? There's 1 and there's 2. So sometimes this is called a double inequality, right? Or sometimes it's called a compound inequality. Your book calls it a 3-part, which makes sense. I mean, again, the 3 parts. So let's solve this inequality. So let me just rewrite this again. And so it has 3 parts, and we want to solve for x. So to isolate x, right, I want this -2 to be a 0, so I'm going to add the opposite. So I have to add it to the middle, the right, and the left. And maybe I'll make that a different color just to emphasize that, right? +2, +2, +2. And this is -1. You drop down the inequality symbol. X, and this is 0, which is what we wanted, is less than 3. Okay, so so this is your solution set, right? And the set builder notation, right, again is the set, right? We have the set x such that, so all the real numbers such that, and then all you have to do is substitute what we have above. So let me maybe make that, right, blue. And so, right, all you have to do is plug that in order to write it in set builder notation. Okay, let's write, let's graph the solution set. So graph solution set. So we have our real number line, and we have a number on the left and we have a number on the right. Well, obviously -1 is less than 3. So -1 is here, right? We can write 0, 1, 2, 3, dot, 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 dot. And I would start with, let's see, to change some colors. Let's do blue. So -1, notice this guy, right, has that including symbol, so I know that that's going to be a closed circle. But this guy, right, this is not including the 3. Not including 3. So this is going to be an open circle. And let me maybe erase that just so you can see that a little clearer. So that's an open circle. And whenever you have a 3-part inequality, the solution set is always going to be the numbers in between the 2 numbers that are given, -1 and 3. So all these numbers, right, are between -1 and 3. Another way of looking at this is if you want to say, you know, there's 2 parts. You can say this purple part, x is greater than -1. Well, x is greater than -1 is to the right of -1, right? I guess if you want to do that. And let's see, another color, let's do green. And then x is less than 3. Well, all the numbers that are less than 3 are all of these guys, right? And not including 3. So the green and the purple, right, wherever there's green and purple, that's your blue part. So another way of thinking about it, but if you just do the blue, that's fine. So that's a 3-part inequality.